Let's explore the connection between cancer and iron. Without iron, there's no oxygen absorbed. Without oxygen, there's a low energy that may lead over to the tumors. So energy is important. Why? Because a healthy cell has got higher energy than a cancer cell. So the oxygen is utmost important, and what carries it? The red blood cell. So we need to look at the quality of the red blood cell. Now every red blood cell has got a thing called hemoglobin molecule. You've got 300 million of them in one red blood cell. The yellow is iron. I call it spaghetti and meatballs. So you need the spaghetti, you need the iron, which is the meatballs, to get the source, which is then the oxygen. Now to be able to get the iron synthesized, you need vitamin C so that you can absorb the oxygen. And what's not told to people is why they need the vitamin C. They're also not told that they need copper to get the iron out of the liver so that it can be used to absorb oxygen. You need biotin to get more vitamin C. Hence the fact that there is a comprehensive way to approach the absorption of oxygen. Do me a favor and in the comments tell me that your team of treatment, your treatment team, did they tell you this? I'd like to know more about it. So we touched on iron. You need B6 for that spaghetti. You need B12 and B9 for the pot, which is the red blood cell structure. Now we spoke about iron, the good of it. And the bad of iron is a tumor needs iron to be able to grow. So you need to know what iron and how much iron, otherwise it is just going to be feeding the tumor to grow. Hence the fact that we need to get more information. Do me a favor, click a like, make a comment to say whether your team of treatment did tell you about these things, and if you know somebody that needs to know this information, share it with them. It could just add value to their life.